Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has enough power and that low power or blue light filters are off. These can override color changes. Next, open settings and go straight to display or display and brightness. Once there, locate the controls labeled color, color mode, color temperature, or night shift. These are the first actionable controls you'll use to shift your screen's appearance. Make adjustments available immediately and keep an eye on the preview so you can iterate quickly. You now pick a color profile, vivid for punchy hues, natural for accuracy, or adaptive to dynamically change colors, because profiles change gamut and saturation differently. Once chosen, move the color temperature slider warmer for reds or cooler for blues, and nudge saturation to increase or decrease intensity. Small changes matter. If you need more precision, enable advanced or developer display options to access RGB gains or wide color gamut toggles. Make adjustments while viewing mixed content to ensure you finish by saving the profile and testing with real images and video to confirm skin tones and whites look natural. If precision matters, use a calibration app or an external colorimeter. These let you alter RGB gains and white point for accurate reproduction. Once done, make sure screen protectors or accessibility filters aren't reapplying changes. If colors revert or look wrong, check active overlays, accessibility color filters, or simply reset display settings to restore defaults. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.